Hey everyone, it's me Richard and I'm here with another video. Today's video is brought to you by TubeBuddy. Now TubeBuddy is the main tool that I use to manage the back end of my YouTube channel. It has been a huge lifesaver when it comes to time management and properly optimizing my channel. They have tons of free tools, so you can go check them out by going to tubebuddy.com/tutors Jamaica. Link will be in the description. And speaking about Tutors Jamaica, that's my other YouTube channel. I've done a video, I'm doing videos over there, and I've done one on simultaneous equation. So I'll give you a preview here, and then you can go over there and subscribe and watch the full video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know what you think in the comments over there. The more persons that come on, the more of those type of videos I'll do over there. So if you have a child who has difficulty in any of the area in school and you want a great place with good tutorial for all these various lessons that your child may need, then Tutors Jamaica is definitely the channel for you. So just go check it out and let me know what you think. Once I have the more you that goes over there, the more you that subscribe, then you know the more time and effort I'll put into that channel. And we're just gonna jump right in, and we're gonna solve equation example 1 using the substitution method. So let me show you. So firstly, we have our equation 2x plus y equal 10. 2x minus y is equal to 20. So first we have to make either x or y the subject. Then we're going to substitute the value into the other equation, solve for the unknown, substitute the value in the other equation, in any of the equation, and then solve for the other unknown. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're looking at example 1, so we start with our equations. So let's make y the subject of equation 1 in this example. And the reason is simple. Y has a coefficient of 1, meaning that y will be by itself. And in equation 1, it's positive, while in equation 2, it's negative. So it would be easier to just use the positive term, right? So it would just be way easier, way simpler to make y the subject of the formula. So 2x plus y equal 10. So we say y is equal to 10 minus 2x. And if you don't understand what's going on there, you need to go back and watch my video on transposition. Because once you understand transposition, you'll understand what just took place. So we just took the 2x, and because it's positive on one side of the equation, it goes over the equal sign, it changes sign, so it now becomes negative. So very simple stuff once you watch that video. So now we're going to substitute y for 10 minus 2x in equation 1. So in equation 2 actually. So 3x minus y equal 10. So we replace y with 10 minus 2x. So we get 3x minus, open bracket, 10 minus 2x, close bracket, equal 10. So let's continue to look at this example. Alright. So as we said, 3x minus 10 minus 2x equal 10. Okay, cool. So first we expand what's in the bracket, and we get 3x minus 10 plus 2x, because the minus sign is multiplying everything in the bracket, right? So that's why the 10 now becomes negative, and the plus, negative times negative, gives you a positive. So now we end up with 5x, because 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 10. So the 10 goes over the equal sign, it's negative over one side. When it goes over, it becomes positive. So 10x is equal to 10 plus 10, or 5x is equal to 20, as you can see on screen. Follow on screen. So x is equal to 20 divided by 5, because we have to divide both sides by 5 to get rid of the 5. So x is equal to 4. And if you're not following, you need to go and watch my video on transposition, and you'll get a better understanding of what's going on. So now that we know that x is equal to 4, what can we do? We can now solve for y. So we say if x is equal to 4, then substitute x for 4 in equation 2. You can use any equation, but we're going to use equation 2. The 3x minus y equals 10. So what we end up with is 3 times 4 minus y equals 10. So we end up with 12 minus y equals 10. So we end up with minus y equal 10 minus 12. So what we end up with is y is equal to minus 2, and we multiply throughout by -1 or divide throughout by -1, whichever way you want to look at it, to get rid of the negative sign, right? So whatever we do on one side, we have to do it on the other side. So we end up with positive y and positive 2. So once you've gotten an answer, the next thing that you need to do is you need to check your answer. So if 2x equals 4, so if x equals 4 and y equals 2, then we need to test and see if it's true. So we go back to our original equation. 2x plus y equals 10. 3x minus y equals 10. So let's use equation 1. So 2 open bracket 4, 2 times 4 plus 2 is equal to 10. Let's see if that's true. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Let's see if that's true. 10 is equal to 10. And once you get the same value on both sides of the equation, then you are okay. You're good. But if you get different number, then you know that you made either error in math or an error in procedural error. But some error was made. So let's look at the same example 1, but this time we'll be using the elimination method. So our equation 2x plus y equals 10. 3x minus y equals 10. So let's see how we will solve this. We need to multiply or divide our both one or both equation to ensure that the coefficient of at least one term is the same. It can be negative as long as the magnitude is the same. And as you can observe here, the coefficient of y in both cases is 1, because when we don't write 1y. So once there's no number, then we know that the coefficient is 1. But they are the same magnitude, and they are different symbols. One is positive, one is negative. So we need to add or subtract one equation from the other, such that we get a new equation that has one term eliminated. So in order to do this in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to have to add. So let's solve the equation. Use the solution in one equation. So once we've eliminated one, we're going to need to solve the equation. So we're going to use the solution in one. The other equation to solve for the other unknown. Right? So let's look at how we do that. So let's go ahead and do this. So the first thing we're going to do is, since y has the same magnitude, let's eliminate it. It's simple, right? So since the signs are different, we're going to add them. So 2x plus y equals 10 plus 3x minus y equals 10. So what we end up with is 5x is equal to 20, because positive x cancel negative x. So let us look at this, we have a new equation. 5x is equal to 20. So let's solve for x. So 5x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 divided by 5. So x is equal to 4. So once we have had x is equal to 4, if we know x is equal to 4, then we substitute x for 4 in equation 1. So 2x plus y equal 10. So 4 plus y equal 10. So 8 plus y equal 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 8. So y is equal to 2. And of course, we can we now know that 2x, that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So let's test to see if it's true. 2x plus y equal 10. 3x minus y equal 10. So let's say 3 times 4 minus 2 is equal to 10. So we get 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So we get 10 is equal to 10. If we did not get 10 is equal to 10, or if we didn't get the same amount on both sides, then that would mean that there is an error in math, or there's an error in procedure. So in this case, we have no errors and we can continue to the next example. Okay, so thanks for watching, and you can continue watching the video over on my channel. You should see the link on cards right here, and of course you'll also see the link in the end screen. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.